corner. This is the third round of a 3-round fight. The last and final round. Six, seven, eight. Okay, end of third round, the final round. May we call on the president of Hilltop Boxing, Mrs. Evelyn Egay, for the awarding. The awarding will be announced by the chairman of the board of judges, by the head judge, Mr. Alvin Egay. Okay, awarding Mrs. Evelyn Egay, please come on stage. Awarding of prizes. Proclamation of winner and awarding of prizes. May I call on?
Boxer. Ito na lang.
First round.
May I call on Dr. Rafael Eliud? No? Please come on stage for